If you are applying to jobs like this, then you are already behind. Right now, freshers are applying to more than 100 jobs a day. They are customizing their resumes in seconds. They are sending perfect, tailored applications, all using free AI tools. So if you are still spending hours doing it manually, then do not worry, because today I am going to show you how to use free AI tools to find and apply for jobs instantly. This video is a step-by-step guide, so save the video and let's start. There are 4 stages for getting a job: finding the right job, making a strong resume, applying fast, and clearing the interviews. We can automate all these 4 stages using AI. Plus, at the end, I will give you a 30-minute daily routine that puts all this together. So stay till the end. Stage 1 is finding the right jobs using AI. The simplest AI tool that you can use here is Google Gemini. Gemini is connected to Google Search in real time. You can ask it to find jobs for you. It will pull direct job links from companies' career pages for you. You can use this exact prompt. Now, if you want to apply for jobs that were posted a few hours or minutes ago, then use the tool Perplexity AI, because it scans the entire web, company career pages, news article about hiring, and even startup funding reports. And to find hidden jobs posted only on company career pages, use this exact prompt. It will help you. Now, once you have found the jobs that you want to apply for, the second stage is creating your resume. And this is where most freshers go wrong. They use the same resume to apply for every job. Today, companies use ATS to scan your resumes. So if your resume does not have the right keywords or does not match the job description, it rejects automatically before the HR even sees it. So what should you do? First, you should make a strong ATS-friendly based resume. I have covered many videos on this. You can check them on Internshala's free resume builder tool for it. And then focus on customizing it. The best tool for this is Claude AI. All you have to do is open Claude AI, paste the job description and your resume, and then use this exact prompt. Now there is a problem. When you apply to 50 or 100 jobs, you forget that which company you applied to, what the salary was, or who the HR was. But there is an AI tool to fix that too, Hunter. You just install Hunter Chrome extension, and when you find a job, click on the extension. It saves all the details like job description, location, and link automatically. It also shows a match score by comparing your resume with the job and tells you which keywords you are missing. Now imagine this. What if AI could find jobs, customize your resume, and apply for you while you sleep? The best tool for this is Loop CV. It is a complete autopilot AI tool. You just have to upload your resume, set your job titles like software engineer, trainee, or data analyst, and set your location and preferences. Loop CV then goes out to more than 20 job portals and company career pages, find the right match for you, and automatically submits your application. And if you are tired of clicking the Easy Apply button on LinkedIn, then use Lazy Apply. It is a Chrome extension that automates the clicking process on LinkedIn, Internshala, and Indeed. Install the extension, set your preferences, and start applying to hundreds of jobs based on your profile. Now, once you automate the task of applying to jobs and start receiving interview calls, you will need to practice interview questions. Here's how you can use AI tools for that. First, for technical interview. So for technical interview, use Gemini Live. Open Google's Gemini Live and mention your field like data analytics or e-commerce, and then paste the actual job description. The AI will ask you real interview questions. You speak your answers and it gives you real-time feedback. Second, mock interview. Use Prem. It pairs you with another person for a live mock interview, so you get real practice. You interview each other and give feedback to each other. And third, for HR and behavioral interview, use Reverter. It helps you understand a recruiter's intention behind asking a question. For example, if the interviewer asks you about a mistake you have made, it explains that they are checking your accountability. These AI tools are as close as the actual interview. So do this for 20 minutes every evening and you will enter your actual interview having answered these questions 10 times. Screenshot this. This is your entire job search system in 30 minutes a day. And if you do it consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, your inbox will be filled with interview calls. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe, and comment alert to get direct Internshala WhatsApp channel invite to join for direct job links to apply. Until then, all the best.